Hi everybody, I hope you guys are all doing well. So today we're going to do a craft on stress balls. Okay, so the supplies that we need are balloons, a cup of flour, an empty bottle, a funnel, and if you don't have a funnel then we need paper and tape, we need scissors, a Sharpie, and yarn. Okay, so let's get started. Pause it. Guys, so what we're gonna start off with is the paper just to make the funnel, just in case you guys don't have one. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lay the paper down and then you're gonna start at the corner and we're just gonna kind of start churning and just churning it, and we'll just roll it like this. And so there you go. And we'll make a little funnel like that, and then we'll get some tape. And we'll tape it down right there. So we can make sure it'll fit one of the bottles. So see, it'll go in there. And if we do it this way, it might take a little bit longer, but it'll get the job done. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna get our water bottle. We have to make sure it's empty and dry. And we're gonna get the funnel. And we are gonna pour in the flour. So you could just throw it all in there. If you want, you could pour a little at a time. And for this, you guys don't need a whole cup. You could use a little bit less, but I chose to use a cup just because it makes the stress ball a little bit bigger. So we'll just shake it in there. Okay, so once we got all the flour inside our little bottle, we're gonna put that right there, and then we're gonna get a balloon, and you guys could blow it up a little bit. Okay, so we kind of blew it up. I don't know, maybe it might be. You don't have to blow it too big. And so here is where you might want to get assistance if you can't do this. So you have to pinch it so you don't let the air out. And then we're going to get the bottom of this. And you're going to stretch it out with your fingers. And we're going to put it on top of the water bottle. Okay, so once you have it like this, do not let go of this because then all of that will go everywhere. We flip it upside down. And then now you can let go. And you can kind of shake it in there. So let's shake. And you can squeeze it a little bit so it could get down in there. Okay, once all the flour has gone into the balloon, we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna pinch right here, and then we're just gonna take it off the top. Okay, so from this point you guys want to slowly let the air out. If you let it go really fast, flour is gonna fly everywhere, so you don't want to do that. So you just kind of let it go out as slow as you can. It's best to do this like in the kitchen, this project. You don't want to do it in your living room unless you want flour all over your carpets or your floors. So we're just gonna kind of let the air out. And you can shake it a little bit, get it to where it comes flat. And so, okay, once you feel like most of the air is out, you're gonna make a knot at the top. Okay, and there is our little stress ball. Okay, so what we could do from here on out is we can make it fun. You might want a towel to get some of the flour off. So just kind of get the flour off. And then this is where we get our marker. And then you could do whatever you would like. It's just for fun. So for mine, I just like to make little faces. So we could just make them a little face. So we'll make some eyes. And we can give him a big smile because he's happy. And let's give him some eyebrows. And so there you go. And then to make it fun, or to give him something unique, we could use the yarn that we had, and we'll just make him some hair. So for that, we'll just wrap it around our fingers like that. So I just turned it around 6 times. And then we're gonna cut the string. And for me, it's easy if I just like kind of stretch it out and then get the string. And we'll try to do it right in the middle, and we'll make another knot. So try to put it right in the middle and make a knot, just like so. Okay, and so now we have these little loops, and we're gonna get our scissors, and we are going to cut right through them. And we'll do the same thing to the other side. Okay. So now that we got his little hair, we can put it on him. So what we'll do is we'll get this and we'll put it at the top of the and we'll tie another knot. And if you want to make it really secure, you could do it twice. We could do 2 little knots. Okay, once we've tied his hair up, then we're just gonna, play with it like that. So if you guys want, you guys could, keep going. Let's make him some teeth, because he needs to chew. Okay, so once you guys are done with the marker and you guys have made his face, make sure that you don't touch him right away. Let it dry, because when you use the marker, it stays wet. Okay, and then this is our little stress ball. I hope you guys enjoyed our project. I hope you guys are staying safe, and we all miss you guys. And enjoy your little stress ball, because the days have been stressful.